Hey, hi there. Glenn here. Workshop at the Gardens, the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for dropping by and checking the channel out. Really would appreciate if you would subscribe to the channel, watch a couple videos, and leave a comment or two. It'd really help out. I share a lot of videos on tips, tricks, and hacks in the shop. Currently doing a kind of revamping of the shop into more of a woodworking shop. I do a lot of landscaping videos with landscaper know-how. I have a lot of fun with Ben from the Duck Hill Workshop, and we do in the shop with Ben and Glenn and try to have a good time. And then I just have a whole host of projects around the gardens of Castle Rock, whether we're building a timber frame, working on any type of project. So hopefully you gain a little information, a little knowledge about how to make things yourself, how to become a little bit more of a DIY, or to arm yourself with a little bit of knowledge when you hire a contractor to do a project. But thank you. Thank you for spending some time here on the channel and subscribing and following along on the journey. Enjoy.